Hi, I'm Brittany WTI, and when weight training is this easy, you're going to run out of excuses.
And these FitSir 25-pound adjustable dumbbell sets will definitely take away all your excuses. With just a simple twist, you can switch from all the different weights. You have 3, have 5, then you can increase it to 8, 13, 20, 23, and 25 pounds. I love the finger holes on the bottom so that you can easily move it around. Our shed does let water in, so I like the protection stand. It also stops it from rolling away. Having the vast variety of weight differences are so important for when you're wanting to strengthen little muscles and easily turn it to increase the weight if you're moving on to muscles that can handle more of a weight, even particularly your back. You're able to take on a lot more weight. It's very easy to bend down, pick up the weights, get the workout in, put it back down. My husband does a lot of working out, so I like how I don't touch his weights. This can just be for me to use. The slots make it easy to switch between the weights. The grip is so perfect. You don't even need workout gloves. They're so comfortable, easy to grip, and doesn't pinch your fingers when you're lifting it up. The weights slide in so easily, and you can feel and see the quality. They fit so nicely into our growing gym.
And that's my point of view.